Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to protect a GitHub branch in just a few simple steps. This is super useful if you want to keep your project safe and make sure only approved changes go into your main code. First, open GitHub in your browser and log in with your account. Once you're signed in, head over to the repository where you want to set branch protection. Go to the top menu and click on Settings. From the left-hand side, scroll down and select Branches. Here you'll see the option for Branch Protection Rules. Click on Add Rule. Type in the branch name you want to protect, usually something like main or develop. Now set the rules you prefer. You can require pull request reviews before merging, enforce status checks like CI/CD, or limit who can push directly to the branch. After adjusting the options according to your needs, scroll down and save changes. And that's it. Your branch is now protected. This small step helps maintain code quality, avoids mistakes, and keeps your workflow clean. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, make sure to stay tuned for more simple tech guides.